Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow, you know, on a weekday, that's pretty good, all of you to be here. And I want to welcome and thank all of you to be here. Now, I hope most of you are distributors, right? Or all of you are distributors, right?
Yes.
Not yet. Well, you got to pay to get trained. Just kidding. Well, I want to welcome and thank all of you coming. I know that there's many things that we could do, but the fact that you're here this morning says a lot. And I am very humbled to stand in front of you to share with you this first hands-on training because, you know, the last 16 months I've traveled the world, close to, I think, 12 countries the last 16 months, and really to lay out the foundation for this company. And so far in 16 months, this is far above and beyond what I bargained for. I didn't know that the opportunity would touch lives of many across the globe at this magnitude. I mean, the product is absolutely amazing, and we're witnessing, I mean, incredible momentum throughout the world with this opportunity. And so the last couple of weeks, ever since I got back, I've been doing a lot of training, one-on-one sessions, and I realized that no matter what meetings I've done, it's seemingly it's a similar questions that keep popping up. And it's those simple foundations that how to really take it hands-on from step A to step B. And so I really believe that it's time now that we have, you know, painted a world, you know, the last 16 months is shipping product to 60 countries. I really believe it's time to really give everybody a vehicle and the tools of how to really build this business and the building block of this business. So, and I really want to, one of my vision and goals is to really want to bring light, a positive light to direct selling, to network marketing. As most of us know that over the last whatever many years, that direct selling or network marketing doesn't have a good rep. True or not true? So I think it's time to really, I mean, I believe we have a lot of different walks of life in this room. We have professionals, we have doctors, we have lawyers in this room. And we have average people, stay-home moms such as myself. So what I want to do is give you the tools in all the last 20 years, almost 20 years of my life, and in this industry to share with you how and what I did. And I will try to do it in compact in 2.5 hours. Is that okay with everyone?
Yes.
So let's do this now. Before we begin, and this is a really hands-on workshop. I really hope that you guys have pens and paper. This is very important, okay? So if some of you don't have pens and paper, please raise your hand. We'll have someone pass out paper for you, okay? And if you just follow the roadmap that we're going to share with you, I believe it could be quite life-changing, okay, as it did for me. Because everything I'm pouring my heart out to you is 18 years ago, 19 years ago actually now. I was a struggling entrepreneur. I got laid off. I had a college degree. I went to UCLA, went to UC Irvine. After years of education, found myself at a crossroad. And, you know, it was a blessing in disguise. Someone told me about network marketing. And so the last 19 years as an entrepreneur went from a struggling entrepreneur to become a multi-millionaire. I'm going to share with you my journeys and the steps that I took. And hopefully you don't have to repeat some of the mistakes that I made over the years. Okay? So with that, everybody have a pen and paper? Okay.